Eric with Mother.com. Let's take a look at the EWZ, and we're going to be using the MACDs only in this example. And we are looking for areas where we have a good sizable swing trade. Here's one where we have a bullish uptick. Here's another period where we have a bullish swing trade. And we also have periods where we have bearish swing trades. Here's one, and of course here's another. Now, just using the MACDs by themselves, there's a way we can simplify this. And it is this idea that instruments don't get momentum until the two MACDs are either, in this particular example, above. We change that a little bit. The 0 MACD line, and we can see the arrow here represents where we moved above. Both MACDs moved above or were above 0, and of course the 0 line is here. So the 0 lines on both MACDs. Once both MACDs were above 0, you can see it coincides with this price movement, and it also coincides with the beginning of that swing trade. We can also flip the script, and we can see here is where the MACDs drop or confirm that they are below 0. Below 0, below 0, coinciding with this price level. And of course, you capture most of the swing trade lower. We have, again, a bullish uptick. This is where both MACDs move above 0. Coinciding with this price entry, which captures most of that upside swing trade. And then of course there's this most recent pullback, which coincides with this period here where both MACDs move below 0, coinciding with this price level. And of course you capture most of the recent down move. So if you're looking for a swing trade in either direction, make sure it also coincides with the MACDs, both holding below or above 0 depending on what direction you are looking to trade. This just means that the likelihood of success is higher. It's not a guaranteed, but at least you know that if both MACDs are set up correctly, then chances of the trend continuing are in your favor. And that's all we're looking for, trying to improve the odds in our favor. Eric with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.